The spacious plot with privileged views allowed Pindaibeiras Residence to be developed on a single level. The main entrance is through the social block, where the ample space is organized by a wooden and iron bookshelf. The living space opens up to a large balcony, which in turn connects openly to the kitchen. The TV room, more secluded, facilitates the connection between the social area and bedrooms, where unique curupixá woodwork integrates closets and bedroom doors, forming a corridor that is also open to the exterior. Only the master bedroom extends out over the slope toward the adjacent lake. The entire structure was designed with visible metal pillars and beams. The exterior enclosures consist of aluminum and glass frames, as well as masonry and sections covered in wood. The use of materials in their natural state was prioritized to ensure low maintenance. With maximum use of natural light during the day, the lighting design is mainly composed of indirect lighting. All the chosen furniture was designed by Brazilian designers. The extensive side of the bedroom volume is covered by a cumaru sunshade that filters light while ensuring privacy. The street-facing facade is composed of low horizontal volumes, accommodated according to the shape of the terrain.